this super TREX Chomp order from my birthday. My birthday was today. We're gonna build it with these pieces. My little mat to help us know. Got some stickers. And I'm gonna show you this like right now. So we're gonna open this up.
Let's do it.
Hello guys, this is our transporter again. So we're gonna chop. We're gonna do all these cards, and we're gonna chop them, and we're gonna show them how to open them. First, he can. He can eat more of them. He can eat like all kinds of cards. It's like he never stops.
I think he's hungry.
And that wasn't even close to how much he can really eat. And then to poop him out, you grab this. And then watch. And other thing you can do, you can race the cars right here. 3, 2. And the one that loses go down there. Except nobody won that one. Nobody
Do another one.
Let's try again. Let's try this one again. Wait, she failed.
Happens.
Okay, ready, set.
Whoa! That was cool.
And he has more registers. He can make sounds. And you can put our car right here. And then he spits the car out. You can do it even faster. And he can when you move, his feet go up and down. Like he's actually.
That's cool.
And it holds his cards right here.
It can hold a lot of cars.
Yeah, it can hold cards in its mouth and cards right here. It holds more cards than right here because in its tummy, because in its tummy holds 2 cards in each one, so it's like 22
Wow.
or something.
I think this might be our new favorite toy, huh?
Oh, except we still have presents to go for my birthday.
That's true. Say subscribe to watch more awesome
This
videos.
is probably like maybe a second.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta subscribe to watch my awesome videos.
Say peace, homies.
Bye.
Bye.